With basketball season in the rear view, Troy women's basketball season has some free time on their hands. This free time falls just as summer break ramps up for the young members of the community. Head coach Chanda Rigby and her team of coaches and players have found a way to fill that void as well as bond with the members of the community. Reporter Tarvares Dennis shows us more.
With the Trojans in the midst of their off-season plans, younger students around the country are beginning their off-season as well. Here in Troy, some community members ranging from pre-K to 7th grade have earned the distinction of being a little dribbler. Over a 4-day period, participants have the opportunity to have fun while also learning both life and basketball skills from a thriving coaching staff.
Every day we have a theme of the day, and today was just one that we use over and over in our program, which is shoot for the moon, because even if you miss, you might land among the stars. Try to instill what's important to us and what works for us to make us successful into the campers this week.
For the coaching staff, these camps are bigger than just basketball, as events like these can become a tool to promote valuable life lessons.
Instead of it just flowing into our team all the time, this is an opportunity to let it flow out and let the knowledge of basketball and our passion for the game flow out to the young people in our community.
At the end of each camp day, star campers are deemed big leaguers of the day and sent home with a sweet treat. Tarvares Dennis, Troy, TrojanVision News.
This year marks year 13 of Little Dribblers Camp being held at Troy University.